Accurate engineering drawings are the backbone of any successful project. They serve as the universal language that connects architects, engineers, contractors, and suppliers, ensuring everyone is on the same page from the very beginning. Precision in these drawings is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality, safety, and efficiency. When every measurement, specification, and detail is meticulously documented, the risk of construction errors dramatically decreases. Misinterpretations can lead to costly mistakes, delays, and even hazardous situations. But when drawings are clear and exact, builders know exactly what's expected, reducing the likelihood of rework and unforeseen complications on site. Moreover, precise engineering drawings enhance collaboration. They allow multiple teams to coordinate seamlessly, whether they're working on structural components, electrical systems, or plumbing layouts. With well prepared drawings, stakeholders can identify potential conflicts early, resolve them before construction begins, and make informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. This clarity fosters trust among team members and empowers everyone to contribute their expertise effectively, knowing they're working from a reliable foundation. Beyond accuracy and collaboration, detailed drawings also play a crucial role in keeping projects on schedule and within budget. When plans are precise, procurement becomes straightforward, with materials ordered to exact specifications and quantities. Construction teams can plan their work with confidence, minimizing downtime and avoiding unnecessary expenditures caused by last-minute changes or miscalculations. In essence, accurate engineering drawings are an investment that pays dividends in efficiency and cost savings. Ultimately, the success of any project hinges on the quality of its engineering drawings. They transform ideas into reality by providing a roadmap that guides each phase, prevents mistakes, and ensures all team members are working toward the same goal. Precision isn't just a technical requirement, it's the key to delivering projects safely, on time, and within budget.